Everyone knows that in polymorphic species, different sizes of ants have different roles in the colony. For example, in Messer barbarus, bigger workers are crushing big seeds. But did you know that in monomorphic species, this can occur too? Scientists have found that ants from monomorphic species show different behaviors depending on their size. For example, in Temnothorax longispinosus, the smaller workers are more likely to engage in social interactions, while the larger workers of Myrmica kotokui tend to be more inactive. Building on this observation, researchers conducted a study on Formica cinerea ants. We will dive into the results and the experimental details in a full-length video on our channel. Trust me, it's definitely worth watching. The findings are truly fascinating.